I don't want peace. I want problems always.
Oh, you're looking so cute in the picture. It's my name. Yes. Who is calling? Oh, I never mind. Mommy! But Mom, I wanted to tell you something. I'm not liking the environment here in Ghana. Why? I want to go back to school in the States because I can take it anymore. That's why. You're an African, okay? You better start getting used to this environment, alright? Okay, it's alright. Calm down, okay? When you finish your junior high school, you'll have to start. Okay? Promise me. Cross my hands. Good! But Mom, you told me Dad was gonna come this month, but he's not yet in. Sweetheart, that's not the issue now, okay? Later you talk to your dad, okay? On your phone, alright? But now, we're talking about your school, and that should be the key point right now, okay? Love matters. Oh, let's see the picture.
Now so free.
Thank you. Yeah, hello, madam.
Ernest?
Hello, madam, it's me, Ernest.
Where are you, Ernest? I've been calling your line, it's not going through. Where are you?
I don't know, I would have to ask around, I don't know. But...
And where's my daughter?
Madam, your daughter has been kidnapped.
What?
Madam, I don't know. I don't know. I'll have to ask around.
Please, where are you now? Where are you?
Pacho, what have to say?
Pacho, hi, I'm very happy to go.
Hello?
Hello?
Hello, madam? Hello? Hello? Pacho, phone the room.
Pacho, I'm off for how until night.
Thank you. Pacho, hina menya car, hina mo.
Me Pacho, when you can crowd when you are in your car. Station I am fast down.
Pacho, me do what to make sure.
Yes.
Boss, make I ask you, what if the woman of you pay in? What money you won't make you travel with?
You're worried, man. I have some little money we can change.
Okay.
Brother, I hear everything you people are talking over here. Please, this time, I don't want to fight you. Please, give me the money, Margo. Anything where I say, Nagan, we go touch it. Anything where I say, Nagan, go touch it. Give me money, man, go. And then you touch gun. What kind of life is this? What kind of life are we living for this place? Hey, Mila.
Now, what is it? Just when I said we are not from South Duty. People from Mountain.
If you find out who is this,
If you find out,
now who did know Madame Budi wants?
there's some message, maybe some questions we are wanting. This is what happened, madam.
I don't think so. You know, as a politician, things like this could always happen. But Atta is not my country, so I can't place hand on anything. I can't even remember. There's no one. I can't remember anything. I don't have any problem with anyone.
Okay. We'll never be touched. We'll never be touched. I think I have to do an inquiry and get back to you, okay? I think I have to take you to a much mistake and have a information. Let's go.
Excuse me, okay?
Meaning you know him, right?
Exactly. So what do we do now? What are we going to do?
Okay. You know, let's involve in the police. Once we have his voice, we can track him down.
Let's not involve the police in this, okay? Let's handle it secretly, okay? I don't want to involve the police. That guy is very dangerous. I know him. If he has any clue that I've involved the police, if he notices I involved the police, he might end up killing my daughter. I beg you, let's not involve the police at all.
The police are very intelligent. The police could do all their means to get back your daughter without anything happening to your daughter. If you're saying so, I know what to do. Okay, just do what I know what to do.
Please try your best for me, okay?
Do everything for me. I know what to do.
Serious, eh? I've given you 3 days and you all messed up. I'm giving you another 3 days just because of the friendship I had with you in the past. Do you understand me? Look, give her a death slap.
Please, I beg you in the name of God, because you know now, because I'm going to pay you. Don't let anything happen to my daughter.
I'll kill her if you don't care. I want my money, 3 days! Or else I'm taking her across the Burkina Faso border, into Cote d'Ivoire, and you'll never see her again!
Please, Biko.
3 days!
Hello?
As I had a discussion with you, I'm going to bring your driver back from this house to help me to locate the village where your daughter has been kidnapped. So he's out purposely to help the whole scenario. And you know what? I have some men that I want you to lead them to the village where you said you were kidnapped, so that they could track those people. Okay?
Officer, with all due respect, if I can lead your guys to the village, I can't do it. I simply can't lead them.
What are you talking about? You will not take them to the village, eh? You want them to kill my daughter? You're not serious. Hey! I don't want you to get me upset. Okay? You must take them there to get my daughter back. Okay? If they want to kill you, let them kill you. I wonder why they didn't even kidnap you and let my daughter go. I wonder why they did not kidnap you and let my daughter go. What are you saying that you are doing? You know what is she? You try to reach it, no. They don't want with you. You can't do it, you have not started. My friend are called.
See those guys. A cat was placed in my mouth. I nearly lost my life. It's like I simply can't do it.
So you cherish your life more than the life of my daughter, right?
Officer, listen, I was brutally handled through the bush, okay? I was tied up in the bush. I was slapped severally, blindfolded. A gun was placed in my mouth. I nearly lost my life. You're here asking me to go back to that village. Also, tell me if I'm your brother, would you ask me to go back to that village? To that bush? No.
Just in case you're focusing yourself, I said I took risks coming up. I mean, bringing you out of this house. and it's all about. If you're going to help us, or you're going to help my men to locate where the daughter, as you said, were kidnapped, including yourself, then you'll be free. So you either go with my men, or you go back to cells. So are you going or you're not going? These are my guys, as I told you about. He's Fred and he's Jake. Jake and Fred, her name is Madam Choice, the Nigerian ambassador to Ghana. And then there is Ernest, the driver I told you about.
Ernest?
Yeah.
Alright, thank you, boss. All we need from him now is his cooperation. 1, you do not make or receive calls in public concerning this operation. 2, you lay your ears down on the ground. Report to us anything suspicious. Alright, that's all.
Please, I beg you. Try your best and get my daughter back. It hurts me so much that all these things are happening. Just try and get her back for me. I will reward you handsomely. Okay?
Madam, you can count on us. We are professionals. Yeah.
Okay.
You're set to go.
Right.
Do you know Nigeria where you talk about? Do you know that place? Ah, why are you telling me that? You are telling me so don't lie. Don't try it. Everything. Bro, you are delaying me. You are delaying me. Please.
You can go.
I can go. I came here because of the money. Not to come and kidnap somebody's daughter. What are you trying to tell me?
No money for you until I finish this deal. Can't you get that into your head? The grace.
You are leaving me. I beg you, I will slap you. Brother!
Baako ɛda hɔ ne deɛ ɛyɛ sidi mpema biasa ai bosume bia magi mu sidi mpema biasa
no board which 30 cities 30 Ghana cities okay 30 cities can it 300,000 ai any problem with you
shit Minim sem common sense situation kam na mpacho me de kwaduo no mu a ha mo de
Mpacho they maintain 30 cities.
Scadio no problems oh na.
Mpacho me person who say edwae I mean washroom inside.
Ah, for am horo kana.
There be
na fi ade na
washroom.
Ejana bia no ba bia mo bedwale na waka no basa no.
Mpacho ani.
E na wo pen way.
Edem you inside.
Ade na kurumfo de ntimi nsi ejana bia no ni baby amu bedwale enyina wodem ho wo ba bede waja na ho na da ha ye de duafie ana ho ye pleasing me de minti am ye fie ha de san kwase asem ne ni ha o ejana no krampo no betwa kwansini miensa ansa no akọ ejana ate edwae de bu a betimi adwale ama ho ato na sole ahom na che makọ ejana ya ba so betimi de a betimi
no it's okay
Ejebe manage.
I'm the funniest.
Ako so mo ya wona yi safa no bro. Ah wo yi aba. Ya me ti bi onu na se mo ya ho ho ntina. Yeah. Be mo ho ke. So mani bi mo. O ma ti nyo ho kra. Mo ya ba bia ha ya.
Batom, bagay away.
Ah, bibia wa haja na bia ni bibia bibia ni na wo. Why?
Hey, listen, you're testing my patience, yeah? Look, let me tell you something. You know what I can do if you don't bring that money today. Okay? I won't tell you again.
Stop crying. Everything will be okay. Madam, please. Sister, I just pray so because I can't believe this is happening to me. I can't believe it. God will do it. Please, madam, God will do it. Madam, stop crying. I know my God will do it. Oh, madam. Please, I need you to help me. Help me. My only daughter. Do it. Madam, do this to me.
William Frema and Yabon. Kuruha Monamo Kutiribaji. My Hemoa Minimuni. I do my Mocasa Mubakum Haba Jida in Mayan. Who that I mean, and I'm more than another Mafro. Moanka saying, be a dead man.
But it's a last Kumawood, one TSC.
You can't blow for one enough from Kakraman.
You can't put a 71 to the neighbor sections. The tennis home, it may be for Kakra and what TSC. Ye network operators, any menu. Ye more network company view, cookies him. The tennis say, ye, if you move who's a no groom had a more like a network. I buy a behind and say, if I say best save groom had, and in Gune to us in a be a network in your juma. Now I see a mounty pools or sending a ya, moving a network at my core. You say, and I say, go back where I say, that is a service in General. It's a mamma course now, we won't mean your course ye. It's a say a bomb now, when your service, it's me a year course. And in a bar. So as I had a year, we a kubush, we a kubush on me, okay? Be a month full, a full being in with the whole species, a bit midi pool and see.
Oh, ye yarn, I'm dear, see me. And yes, I dear Mokan Sadia. My idea, the coffee, groom higher one. Opa saw your qua. Brow bre. Network no. If you're not Kosha, Nakosha, if you're not Kosha, there could me, Davy me your call. We can phone us an article. Very rate if you should have NKONYAA network. Had they? My idea, small book room. I'll quibby, none was a wanty. Oh, I'll quiet corner network in a Janiaco Shakubiso. No, so fish any more fruit could go to a network. No coaching network to any Cassan. Oh, Fufia and Trata. I will always include and Tam Casino. Read him. Not one down, not for a castle. And ask them good for that. Kurama for ye, just here near Nipakura no in the Casa. Hello. Ya tu ye ni afun yin na hye suruwe. Se na anoma bi gina na anoma ni ti afun ni so. Na afun no beto fo. Battery yin so na nipa nda so kasa.
Se ba ya
we se ya ba ko se mi entam kase na wo ka kuro ya na afun kuro ya na afun. Akwa mi wo ya sure se wo ne ne wo kuro kase mu. Wo se kuro mu ni kura. Look at encyclopedia joy. When I find time, I say, "Oh, free when you kuro when you na free."
Oh, no, hey, how do you feel?
Also, me you need to go from say, "Tia what you wait." You say, if we acquire our boy me, oh, kuro kesi. First, a cranny a type, and a type I know. We say, dear, we stand the frame into a science sanity. Oh, what about you, man? No, about everything. Subway, Macho Banana, Miano, Macho Banana, my film from no, Maya, eh, Baba, no, my film from no, Maya, I wait.
Stone.
That's that one. What's that power? I said, you said. Ni pursue amuya. My idea. If you say, my driving here, you come to Crum Highway. Anyway, what be peppy anyhow. So, tomorrow might be some poor in the onion, but why? Didn't you miss our mamma and her moon? When I'm so, my mamma will be I won't tell you, Percy a palm. Say, America for 2 on my hay. Guantanamo Bay for you, Crophomi. Oh, yes, you are my dear, who are quite them. Not as a mukram, tickle Cassia moon. Macram work class a cramate. Oh, yes, I'm penny because it's our mobile. Yajin to get the woman, that's why. Yanny, I won't cry. I'm on for crack a cassette. Woman, I double on my painting on black, abacum, and I'm sure Debbie, my save more honor. I'm sure Debbie. More money on me, a cock off. I'm saying, we are safe. But I'm moving to you. Why? Grandma. Oh, you're my mamma. You say, ye dear granny, dear girl. Back to man find some more baby. A yago bunny. Grandma will buy my stadium. Mopia. What do you mean? If you're higher, why you fear? Yamin Conam tell. Miniman and you penny for a jam hawk or yasam kutwa. They say Bema Bakwa come him say Bema de Kitu be in. To me, near the meeting if you ask me refuse. A woman to a more quadia, but they be almost some other. And mammy, I dream puffer could you. Near me be seen now, catch them. Tina and mammy Busam. Now so a coming near Baba. Miss Sam. Unyan me, Miss Sam, money. Why? There be a far no much, there be a Marupa. Now say, oh, your boy. Me a boy. Me can answer me, I jealous. Now to me, man can't be hammy. To Miss Remo, Mamma funny in what you call. My very young one said, on also swab and you non swab a vagabond boy at 2 feet. So I China for a back room, but I sister penny baby. One more back room, free hackle, and Kala, my woman, room 72. And all flow be bass manwa. Now until China can say, because so friend when on corner no, I say, want some boy. Once a boy said I like on time. I said, I said, you do a damn fine. Near Jaffa also call Miss them. If you have it, you know, where you're meeting a ya. I mean, take you over to me, so gaga. Will you go home at me, so gaga? Where they are wanting I'm from. I'm money.
Where did the woman now? Where is the corner? Where is the ball? Brother, you promised me to give me the money. Why you don't want to give me this money? What's the matter with you? Huh? You are telling me when my mother you promised to take care of me. You want me to go sell myself to give you the money? I'm not your father. This thing where you do is not good, it's not good, it's not good. When my mother you say you take care of me. I'm going to give you the money. But until I close this deal, I have no money. No, I know where you put.
So, Jack,
thanks very much for whatever you're doing, okay? But my wife a friend, said, my papa na yemunya kra. You know, until say me go kesi mu ko share to tunia mana. Say, I don't know if you can come and join him back.
All right.
You know. Why? That's it. No, when I say this, I could listen to kesi mana papa and me free how much? 5.
No problem.
Why na me ko? Na me so try so me catch Fred amame. Why?
Only problem.
So
I don't know if
you na largely no me na.
The only thing is why they make us.
Alex, for never prove I don't know Yana. I don't tell us so much, sir. Huh? One man make up consider. Ah, what do you call? Oh, one more difference. What do you call? Now, Papa and Catman cry. What about trouble to Tini? One man didn't come over. Ah, so what? Me what is even Miss Arno? Ah, so what? Now, say, what I know who over trouble and improvement. What about you, Kurea Bosso? As I be eh, and to money from myself. We need to see one thing. No more anybody you did. Ah, Metiamete, pay, but answer Kaibi, and your Kai now betray. Nadiana Mudisipo. Oh, well, cum. Nam so any, Mapo Madiaco, immediately. Panam Sherman Public, Nam Tegris. You can't consider me and Sapo, people tea with so. Midru swat, I said, for woman. When I am Bagade, I don't know some years. When you say Paul Lucrana Mucos in my phone of Panama, you do be anymore.
But we don't go funny.
Zimbabwe.
So, dear, I see woman feed you on one idea.
Well,
I see woman feed.
Well, Commando, there was a boom. Oh, Chow Commando, you are not more treachery, Miss Walk. And only I don't go to a fuck with sea harbor. And also, I don't want private jet to plane ticket. Me at the Belk, Massy. And so my fire car cook, Master Quaji. Ah, my better papa, boy, my brother.
Send me a casa. Okay.
Yes, my wife a friend said, my penny na yemunya cry. I was saying, Banana, me fee. You know. The class no send a boy and son of me.
I made it. Oh, quite. Now there's some new years. A down stone boy in the Bitiaka. Oh, yeah, but that's it. Don't want to have a better woman. I beg you also. A down crack any papa on them, dear man. Mohana stone boy, this is cabinet. I feel me and Miami and some of them. I'm saying, ah, and any me, we are stone boy. No matter you me about on the magic. If you say, a down will be ada. Huh? Because some of the many papa go for my tree. Me free stone by so for me, you, my way. At it, I know home back, Rami Sampo, a boy at Yama, Bakuno, Nabaji, at it. I feel proper another habit now because and at the end, she asked my papa. What I saw, I would hear, don't wait. Zomo, Jenny did your brain and find you phone.
Open up.
And last number 29 your crowd. Same one.
Now, see, can you send
Say my mosque can see. By our journey, your woman, and a pregnancy. Be young Kwame.
Open down.
Daddy, meeting.
Ah,
but I don't know when it be far to be done.
my cheese a jumbo in a million, the cheap baby. A million, a
crack a 1 year.
She, scan it soon, Mammy Ketua.
Just make it to a beer with them. Oh, my brother anymore.
There you.
She also watch Ketua on one minute to our.
Fine, show the oko. Listen again.
Okay, boss. Joanne. Yeah, the tenant say active very fast. Alright, sir. But boss, the tenant say as at now, it mean ya trace be a bit me the attract girl. Joanne. You trace be it didn't mean track a grand sis. But as of now, we are still working. We are still working behind time, sir. Yes, sir. Let me get back to you, boss. Please.
Where did Daddy?
Watch it here. You peer me here, corner. Corner me peer. I hear corner me peer me. You suspect him. What? Good. You get me, I'm Tracy now. You're going to come.
Please, let me go home, please.
Oh, I'm sorry, little sister. This is not my fault. But listen, very soon your mom will bring my boss some money and we will leave you, okay?
I'm writing exams in school. After the exams, I'm gonna come back, please.
Yes, what's going on out here?
The kid said I should free her to go write exams and come back.
Yes, please, yes.
Oh, where's my brother?
I thought you guys went together.
What do you mean by that? He said he wanted to come with me. I said no. He should go back, and he did.
Oh, I don't know anything about that.
What? Guy took my last money.
Okay, come. Get up.
My leg's straining me then. Probably twisted ankle and you can't find him. You guys should go back. Okay?
Okay, boss.
So, take care, boss.
Why is busy?
They're busy. Yeah, for business already again.
I don't know. Somebody kicked me from behind.
there for it to go down.
Hey! Where the hell did you get taking that girl to, huh?
Who the hell are you to understand? You're sending her back to your mom.
Look. Do not know what you're talking about. This does not concern the two of you. It's between me and my business partner. And we don't seem to get involved in this. Don't think about it. Okay?
Now listen, we are good citizens. We do not tolerate this nonsense.
Then you go and tell your ambassador to pay me my money. Because she cheated me. Let me tell you. You better mind your business. And now you're not even taking that girl anywhere without paying my money, okay?
We are sending her back to her mom.
Lady J, where you coming from? Where are my guys?
They got murdered by these two wicked guys.
They what? Fred!
Again, how would you catch a trees out? I'll make you a tree. I don't
get it.
Oh, to the car now, we'll be how you did watch it.
Okay. I was kidnapped. I'm a daughter of a Nigerian ambassador. I was kidnapped.
Of course, I will move from one watching my sin. Mammy, Professor didn't talk about it. Was his mamma, Professor. I mean, come across Casa. It did a how. But I'm afraid your name to be Pam. Bassimian coffee.
What?
Bassimian coffee, Dimachi.
I should follow you.
You have to kill him when we get there. He's tall, he's wearing color, he has tattoo all over his body. I mean, he's having tattoo all over his body. I don't get you too. But you do, you have to kill him.
Wakunyame, a yapa smashawa. Wakubuame wati. Wamkikajime. Wafunyame. Waku dinu mwana msamisiro ababa we. Na nana brafomenti. Hey, talk.
I should tell you. Okay, I'm a daughter of a Nigerian ambassador in Ghana, and I was kidnapped. They were coming. Yeah, they were coming.
Waku, what's it?
Hey!
One day!
Yeah, they were coming.
Casa no kana, brafona kana, mementaso, on tintemu, brafona kana, on tinta, yesu yeticha, brafona cheno, yetintemu, ya kana boko, onozo kana, wazo titi casa no, mentiasi. Ente brafona se,
Makambra ntamu. What? Teacher, me confirm, and one of women not running Kuma. Me koche. Me kwema yede. Ababa we ni ho hanto de waka bi ni ho abete. Na so wasi o me kasa ho. Na me so me dia si wona dia ho. Ani ko kunya me se yamra wo, ntimi sira wo, boa me. Why?
Young lady, what is your problem?
Okay, you can get me, right? Yeah. Okay, I'm a daughter of a Nigerian ambassador in Ghana, and I was kidnapped by some people. They were coming!
Eja, you can say, for a Nigerian man, you see all Ghana.
Wait. Hey, there's no one about to.
Now, any money for being actually in our sea. Here, I say, no more. Can I ever imagine? I don't feel what.
What are we doing? Let's go! They were coming, let's go! What are you doing? Yes, they were coming! Oh my God. Go! They were coming!
You see?
Seriously, I'm so happy. I lack words to really express how I really feel right now. I'm so happy. I want to say a very big thanks to you guys for bringing my daughter back. May God richly bless you, okay? Thank you so much. And my dear, I also use this opportunity to say sorry to you for the death of your friend. I am really very sorry about that. Okay, accept my condolence. I'm very sorry. Mr. Fred, you have done so well. God bless you, okay? Thank you so much. And like I promised you, please help me give this to him. This is a sign of appreciation for what you've done for me, okay? And this one, you can send it to your friend's family. Help me give to him. Okay, let them just use it for anything they want to use it for. God bless you so much, okay? Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm grateful. For making it possible for my daughter to be back, especially Mr. CID. Thank you so much. I'm very, very grateful. And to my wonderful PA, may God bless you for me, for standing by me all through this time. God bless you, my dear. My beautiful friend Mary, I thank you so much. Thank you for your support. Thank you for encouragement. Thank you for everything. God bless you for me. Thank you so much. I really lack ways to express my gratitude to all of you. Thank you so much. How can I forget my driver, my very special driver? Thank you so much for your tireless efforts towards making sure that my daughter will come back. If not for you, I don't know how I would have been able to, how would I have been able to, get to my daughter or even, getting her back. God bless you for me. Thank you so much. I'm very grateful. Lest I forget my precious daughter. I'm very happy to have you back. Thank you so much.
Welcome, mommy.
God bless you. I want to say, I don't know, but I'm so grateful. From the depth of my heart, I'm very grateful. And I want to use this opportunity to announce to you all that I'll be relocating to China. I don't know if maybe this might be the last time we'll be meeting. I don't know when I'll be back, but I know that by the grace of God, we might meet again. Please do take good care of yourself. Thank you once again. Madam Masipa. Thank you so much.